Castor oil, an age-old remedy with powerful benefits for your hair, skin, and overall wellness. But what makes it so special? Let's dive into its incredible properties and how you can use it in your daily routine. Extracted from castor beans, this thick, nutrient-rich oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It's been used for centuries as a natural remedy for health and beauty. Let's talk about its top benefits. Hair growth booster. Castor oil nourishes hair follicles, strengthens roots, and promotes thicker, healthier hair. Skin hydration and healing. A natural moisturizer, it soothes dry skin, reduces acne, and even helps fade scars. Lash and brow enhancer. Apply a tiny amount to lashes and brows for a fuller look. Joint and muscle relief. Warm castor oil can be massaged into sore muscles for pain relief. Gut health and detox. Some use it as a natural laxative to support digestion. Wondering how to use castor oil? Here's a simple guide. For hair, warm a few drops and massage into your scalp before bedtime. Wash out in the morning for the best results. For skin, mix a few drops with coconut or jojoba oil and apply it as a moisturizer. For lashes and brows, use a clean mascara wand to apply lightly before sleeping. For pain relief, warm it slightly and massage into sore joints and muscles. Nature's secret to healthier hair, radiant skin, and overall wellness, castor oil is truly a must-have. Have you tried it? Let us know in the comments.